Hey, we ended up, accidentally we bought several jars of this kind of ointment before we had used up the prior one. So I've been trying to use it up. And one of the ways I use it up uh, is I open it up and so I put a little in my nostrils to soften mucus in there and soften the walls, the nostril walls in there so they maybe don't even produce as much firm mucus. And what happened is that I do it, but I'm always going to end up with a little left on my finger because that smooth walls just don't soak it all up. And I want to clean that off because I usually go right back to using the keyboard. Well, I want to point out, you can see I got kind of a cool effect, or I like it. I don't know if you'll like it, but I like it on my hair here. The way I got it is by using this mucus, and then to get this excess off, I actually run it through my hair to get it off my fingers. Um, it's a tiny bit that gets in there. As far as I know, it's harmless. So it's sort of a fringe benefit of kind of using this stuff up. I will say sometimes, even though I run it through, the hair kind of ends up kind of just settled down. But at least today, I had kind of a cool effect when I woke up. If I don't wash my hair, it's in there all night. Um, with this stuff, trying to use it up, I also put it on the soles of my feet to kind of soften. They get, I don't know, the soles get dry. And I formed these little tiny hard things, one on each sole. The informal term for them is seeds. It's really hard skin, and if you step on when you take a step, that seed on the bottom on your sole kind of presses up into your foot and it hurts. Anyway, I put this on the bottom of my feet before I put on socks or Um, sometimes I wear shoes without socks, so I'll put on my soles before I put the shoes on my feet. And in that case, I'll do the same hair thing. I don't want to get on the keyboard, but I really don't want to even get it on things around the house. And this is kind of right at hand. My hair is right there. I've made videos before how I do wipe off stuff in my hair, like working in the kitchen. Get a little food on my hands or eating food and just wipe it off because it's easy. I mean, if I don't have a napkin, if I have a napkin or something at hand, then I'd use that. But if I happen to not get a napkin or don't want to go to the effort to get it out, now I'm kind of rubbing this. There's still, I try to get this ointment completely off because I don't want to get even a speck on my keyboard. Or on the keys specifically. But um, it is kind of a second nice effect. It works a little like a hairdressing. I do have a bit of a punk rock background. It is a bit of a punk rock type look. Um, Not everyone wants this look, so I guess this idea wouldn't work for you, but it's an option for you. If you don't use it now, you might use it down the line, or at least when you see someone else, you can make some guesses as to how they got this look. I like that.